Hi, my name's Dustin Rose. I'm studying history here at Ball State. Um, I'm taking online courses primarily because I work quite a bit of hours already, so it's very convenient for me. Right now, I currently work in the mental health field, and I would continue liking to work in the mental health field after I graduate. Uh, my primary ideal work place would be, a place that has supportive coworkers, good pay, good benefits, things like that, and really a place where you can grow within the company. I think that's important when you're talking about the other questions on here with the meaning of life. So, um, I think a place like that does exist because I feel like I have a good job. I currently work with underage youth in a residential treatment facility. And Before I worked in a factory where, even though I got paid well, I don't feel my quality of life was very strong. Now that I am in this field, I feel like I'm impacting lives, making a difference, and I'm getting the education to grow more in my profession and be a more valuable employee. So when this asks, what role might organizational communication play in making the ideal more of a reality, I have to think, is my goals in line with the larger goals of the organization, and can those play off of each other to make not only me stronger but make the organization better? And I think my career path has been dictated by, my quality of life. Mark Twain said, if you enjoy if you do a job that you enjoy doing, you'll never work a day in your life. And that's true. And that's why I think a good job does lead to a better quality of life. What am I looking forward to in this class? Well, I want to continue to grow professionally to help me become a better employee. And I just want to work on my overall communication skills. I think communication is extremely important just in life in all aspects. It's good with relationships, it's good with coworkers, it's good with, family members. I think we all can be better communicators, and I just think that's a lifelong learning lesson is you can always become better at communication because it's something we have to do every day.
What was the other clip? You said underage youth. Youth are already underage.
Yeah, that's true.
I started laughing.